The Baja 1000, it's,
I guess you would say, the pinnacle of desert racing.
The Baja 1000 is the ultimate. It's everything.
months of preparation, all leads down to 18 hours of racing. And
one crash can be, one little crash is going to be on us. You know, we're going to get some blood on our arms or something.
Silt holes out there is something we don't really get back in Australia.
what bumps were getting big by race time last year are now even getting bigger this year.
The course is going to be a lot more gnarlier, while a bump for them is a little hiccup, and for us it's going over the bars, you know. So
It's the biggest race of the year. It's what we prepare for, and it's what we all want to win really badly.
We're down here for 2 weeks at a time, maybe even 3 weeks by the time we do the mileage run and everything as well. So we spend a lot of time down here, and with that comes a lot of variety of culture from the Baja Peninsula. Catavenia, which is a very desolate place. People that are there in that small community in town are so welcoming, and yeah, it's an unreal experience, and the places and the culture you experience along this Baja 1000 race course are quite extraordinary.
It's been sad, must be too much sorrow. It's impossible for me to say
When people think about coming racing on Baja, it's not any of the other 250, 400, 500, it's the Baja 1000. I grew up watching Dust of Glory with Johnny Campbell and Steve Henderfield, and watching Quinn Cody and Kendall Norman race, and Colton Udall. Those are all my idols, and I always looked up to them and always paid attention to the Baja 1000. From a little kid, that's what I wanted to race.
my first desert race in Mexico, and we're doing the Baja 1000.
What? I gotta teach the burn what's up.
Yeah, coming up with new riders is pretty hard because a lot of the ones that are well known in the United States are already taken. They're already on our competitions teams, so you kind of have to look outside the box. And I reached out to Corey Hammond. He's from Australia. He won the Fink race, so he got some attention from that. So I just reached out to him on Instagram and said, hey, would you ever be interested in racing the Baja 1000? And a couple days later he got back to me and said yeah, it's one of his dreams. So one thing led to another and he was on an airplane.
It's a dream of many Aussie moto kids to come to America and race, and to be here now is a dream come true, and I've been grateful for the whole trip so far and looking forward to doing the best job I can do and getting the bike safe to the next rider, and hopefully at the end of the race we're somewhere out that pointy. And
The one thing I know is that the 1000 is like especially worldwide known. You can talk to someone from out of the country and you'll talk to them about the Baja 1000 and they'll know what the Baja 1000 is. And
it's pretty crazy how much the terrain changes over here. 1 minute you're on the coast battling the fog and the rain, like the sea spray, and next minute you're up in the mountains and it's crystal clear. So the rock is a lot more than what I was expecting as well.
As far as course goes, I consider this course probably one of the most physically demanding courses. It's almost a replica of last year's race. And with that being said, there was 3 weeks of pre-running last year. You now have another 3 weeks of pre-running for this year's race. So
the last sort of week and a half, I've watched the track just slowly deteriorate day by day with the trophy trucks, and
Teaches you to really evaluate what lines you want to take and when you want to hold it wide and when you want to be cautious,
I've got some good lines and whatnot, so I'm looking forward to going racing.
We're out here, top secret testing location known as Area 51. We're out here San Felipe a couple days before the Baja 1000. We're just kind of shaking down the race bike, making sure no bolts rattle loose, and just having a little fun on it. Scrubbing some tires and preparing us for race day.
So going into this last race of the season, it's kind of the complete opposite of how we would treat it as we did last year, because last year we were leading the points And we knew all we had to do was finish this race or finish that race to win the championship. Now this year we're on the opposite end. We're second in points, and we know that we're not going to win the championship unless something happens to the other team. So our full focus is on basically one thing, and that's to win the biggest race of our season, the Baja 1000.
Hello everybody and welcome to beautiful Ensenada, Baja California.
Feeling really good. Just getting fired up, listening to some rap music in the morning, you know, and it just started raining, so it's good. No dust. Got some fresh O'Neill on. You know, ready to go.
We got the good crowd out here tonight, and you can see just over my shoulders here. The bikes are lined up and ready to go. This is the start. Motorcycle park to start.
Bike still stopped?
Yeah.
He's out of gas. Get him some gas. So we're out here at pit 14. I don't even know what to say, but Corey and Kieran had excellent rides. Other than that, we've kind of had a bad day. Had a bad pit. We had a crash early on. We had a light issue, and to top it off, ran out of gas at race mile 688.
I just checked where 682 is. He's in the middle of a fucking shitty place.
Jake sent a message to his dad. So we need gas we need gas. Shane's got gas, yeah?
You know, let's keep the vibes high. You know, the race is not over. It's still a long race. It's still daytime. Gonna go into the nighttime. It's gonna start raining soon, and anything can happen. So I'm glad it's not someone got hurt. That's what we know now. So and it was just a gas issue, and yeah, we'll see from there. Left turn.
Yeah, no, make sure you look in there and make sure it's like good. Yeah.
Ain't no need to worry. There ain't no use to cry. 'Cause I'll be coming home soon to keep you satisfied.
happy. Had a pretty good get off. But I'm happy to be here. You know, it's another Baja 1000. People don't really put into mind like how hard this shit is in reality. And we're here at the finish line, so I'm happy to be here.
Oh, what do you do?
I don't know, like, did I open up?
Yeah, you opened up.
Yummy!
Shame it ended like this, but we were close. I was nervous, but I enjoyed every minute of it. It was sick.
Yeah, you turned that nervous into some
happy.
good riding,
Yeah.
you know? So
Felt good. Yeah.
Bro, I'm pretty beat right now. Pretty smoked right now. What Gio said, that right there. That's my mood. No, we made it and we're safe. That's what matters. Everybody's safe.
Yeah, I'm proud of the guys. They got over all the adversity we had today and brought it to the finish in second place. Not what we wanted, but just makes us work that much harder for next year to come out here and kick some ass.
We're here at Casa Hogar Buena Vista, just outside Ensenada. The team, we always come after the race and you know, donate some old clothes or used clothes. And Bill Sorrow again donated a pallet of pasta and pasta sauce. So yeah, it's great to give back to the Baja community, and yeah, you know, always some good Baja karma.
We're always running out.